All right, and we are rolling, right? Yes, we are rolling. So hello everybody. For one of my New Year's resolutions this year, I was trying to make a video game, even if it's very simple, and put it out there. Hopefully, something that I can put out on the Google App Store just for fun, just because I wanted to. And yeah, that was a message. We'll ignore that message for now. So for this game, I was thinking of an old simplified version of, well, not even simplified, just basically a copy of Oregon Trail. Only difference, well, not even only difference, it's been a long time since I played Oregon Trail, would be, so exact same thing, and that's another message, is that I was going to have multi-map passes, so that you could get from the starting point to the secondary point through different routes that would take more or less time than previously, and yeah, I've got a lot of the information captured up. Areas that are marked in red are, I believe, areas that I'm going to have greater difficulty over. Blues are things that I would like to import, and greens and non-highlights are things that I feel like need to be in the base component. Although it really looks like this could be a thing that I would like. Just simply something that I would like instead of something that needs to be in there. There. So here's the multi road pathway that I have broken out. Everything starts in Onacall, always goes from there. White Hedge, different allocations, Mr. Holt, and what I feel like the pathway would be from point A to point B. At the end, calculating distance between each leg to determine day count of the of travel from city to city, or major stopping point to major stopping point. Need to set up a random encounter engine for enemies to be encountered along the way. Set up food finding encounters at on camp or on roadway. Set up a watch system. Watch system is going to be something very difficult, I feel like. Actually, not very difficult. It's just a mild research, I believe. Set up encounter engine. Should figure out special events such as finding things along the road, encountering mythical creatures. So I would like it that, every single time you play this game, it's not going to be exactly the same as the game before. It's not just a straight up, optimize your path. What is it called? Traveling shoe salesman algorithm. I don't want that to be happening. I want it to be entirely random from beginning to end. Every single new start is a different start, and just see how that goes. And at first, it's going to be a text-based adventure. If I have time and knowledge, or comfortability, or I can find somebody that would like to help, I'm going to be attempting to convert it from text-based adventure to an actual graphical adventure. That's when I would probably see about maybe loading it up to the Google Play Store or something. I don't know. maybe have ads so that way we can see about recouping some time and revenue that's placed into this. I'm not looking at making this my living. It's just something I want to do this year. 2020, I did a whole lot of nothing because of just everything that I was trying to do and accomplish. Kind of went by the wayside in trying to help other people that had it a lot worse than me. So, yeah, hopefully this goes well. And I will be trying to do a weekly log of this and seeing how it's going in the steps. Hopefully everything will be going mostly fine. And yeah, well, until next time.